Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living. My name is Gary. We have to think about the holidays, but what I could have is I could have some kind of holiday bread. So what I've decided to do is make a holiday bread that has mangoes in it and bananas. It also has a little bit of a twist because it also includes tofu and soy milk. And the ingredients are a little bit different than what you'd see on a traditional bread. Come and see how this works out. I think you'll find it interesting, and I know I'm going to enjoy it. See you in a few minutes.
Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living, a whole food, plant-based lifestyle.
We're going to use half a cup of Sprouts whole wheat flour, and we're going to use a cup and a half of gold medal all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, half a teaspoon of salt, and I'm going to use Himalayan pink salt, 3/4 cups of mango. I'm going to use 1 banana, and I'm going to use agave nectar, soy milk. So I really like using this as full circle organic original soy milk, and it's unsweetened. We're going to use, right in here is extra firm tofu, is 6 ounces of it. We're going to use vegan sugar. There it is. This is from Marina pure cane sugar with no bone char. We need 1/8 of a teaspoon of nutmeg, and we're going to use chia as our binder. So we need 1 chia egg. Now the icing is really simple. It's just a combination of powdered sugar, and it's going to have a little bit of mango pulp in it to kind of give it that beautiful golden look once the loaf is completely cool. So let's get to it. Now the very first step is to sift the flour. So what I did is I bought myself an electric one, and I'll show you really quickly. We're going to first measure the half cup of whole wheat and then a cup and a half of all-purpose. We're going to put it in this bowl. This is the whole wheat. This is the all-purpose flour. Now it's correctly aerated and sifted. Now we're adding 2 teaspoons of baking soda. And some on the counter. So we're going to use half a teaspoon of Himalayan sea salt, the pink salt. We're going to use 1/8 of a teaspoon of nutmeg. And to finish the dry ingredients, we're putting in half a cup of vegan sugar with no bone char. This is a 9x5 loaf pan. Is get parchment paper, and I make it about 2 inches on each side because I'm going to use the parchment paper as a handle to get the cake out. Now this is way too big. Okay, so that's done. The next really important thing to do is to turn on your oven. So I'm going to turn on my oven at 350 degrees to start warming it up. Bake. 350. Start.
If you like what you see, subscribe. And if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.